All right, fans, in the John Deere booth, we have a massive sprayer. It goes all across the booth diagonally. And we got a 8RX tractor with big tanks on them. I guess that's what that is. Tied one being a video. 410, pretty good sized tractor. And well, nothing else really exciting in here yet. As far as John Deere goes, I guess they probably got some more stuff to bring in. Maybe that's it. Right Implement does their booth now. It's not John Deere corporate, it's actually Right Implement takes this booth. So I'm sure all these tractors are for sale, and pretty cool. And down there straight away, as you can see, there's a big X9 combine 1100 sitting there with the big tires on it. So it's not in John Deere booth, it's in the Titan tire booth, I believe. So you can check it out when you're here. But Saturday for the farm show, this is what we got going on. A bunch of crates, some equipment in here, New Holland's new big combines right there. And I'm guessing that's the same combine as the Case IH one, they tell me. So there it is, big draper head on it. And the rest of it still coming together. Case IH stuff just starting to go in today. You guys have a great day. Drive diesel.